In this video, we will show you how to export Figma prototype to video. Usually, we see our prototype in Figma is something look like this. Okay, after you running your prototypes, it will look like this, like slide in PowerPoint. In here, we can using some plugin to export the Figma prototype into video. How to do that? First, you can right click and then choose plugins. In here, you will see there is export to GIF or video. If you not yet activate this plugin, you can just click find more plugins and type export video. And you will see the plugin. You can run this. In here, you can type your email address. For example, let's type my email address. And let's click get started. In here, we need to verify with code that sent into our email. Just open your mailbox. Then click verify. In here, we can export the prototypes using GIF or MP4. But the MP4 is only on the Pro version. Just let using GIF version. Click export the animation. And in here, we can see and we can save on our desktop, for example, and open the GIF. The solution for number 2 to export Figma prototype to video, you can using screen recorder like Fastun. You can get this software, the link on pinned comments. For example, using Fastun, you can run your project into prototype and you can actually record just on the frame you select. After you select the frame, you can record the prototype look like this and you can save using Fastun screen recorder. And that's all. Tutorial how to export Figma prototype to video. Hope this video helpful for you.